Hey everyone, welcome back to 40 Plus Life, or welcome if you're new. I'm Veronica, and today I'm going to go over my monthly budget for December. So, as you can see, brand new month, so I've got a new setup here. It is greeny December Christmassy theme, of course. And just so you guys know, I am offering this as a freebie. So there will be a link in the description box. So if you're interested in this, it's just a mini version. So it's just going to have the cover page, it's going to have the calendar pages, and then it's going to have your budget pages, and then it will have the sinking funds check-in. So short and sweet. I'm not going all out anymore. This is what works for me, and so I think that's what I'm going to stick with right now. So if you're interested in getting this little freebie, please do go in the description box below. It's just a thank you for all of you guys being here. And then as you can see, I've got my little mini plug-in Christmas tree with the little lights. It's so cute, and it's kind of here if you can see it. And then the other thing, I was going through, I finally found some old boxes of ornaments, and I found these old ones of my with my two daughters in them when they were little. So this is when they were very young. They're in their 20s now, so it's a big difference. So this is Keiko and this is Autumn, aka Aki. So I just wanted to show that really quick, so I'm going to put them up on my tree. And then I found this one of Nugget when he got a little photo shoot that I won. The photographer sent this for me since it was around Christmas time, and I thought that was so sweet. Oh, I didn't realize it had a back too. His hair was super long then. So that is a little Nugget. Okay, let's get on to my monthly setup here. So I have everything written out to save time. So I always have monthly goals. So this is what I have set for December. So my first goal is to reach 750 YouTube subscribers. So if I do, that would be great. I'm not going all far in like I did that last time when I was trying to reach 500 subscribers. I'm at that point now where I'm going to slow it down because I have no idea, and I've got so much stuff going on that I don't want to overstretch it. So that is the first goal. The second goal is to do Vlogmas for days 1 to 24 and maybe 25 if I have time to do a quick Merry Christmas, kind of thing. But we will see. So I hope I can stick with it. That just seems like so much to do. Not used to doing a daily video, but if they're really short, then maybe it'll be okay, because then at least I said I did it, right? 1 minute video, here we go. My third goal is to add 200 to my emergency fund, which I've been consistently doing, but I want to stick with that. And then the envelope which shall not be named, I'd like to add 75 to it because January I do have to make that maintenance payment. So I think that'll maybe get me closer to half. Probably not, but at least I can make a payment. So that is my goal there. And then my final goal is to make an extra debt payment to my Capital One credit card. So I think I have $200 right now in my debt envelope as an extra debt payment. So I'm hoping that I can pay around $300, which would be awesome. So that is my goal there. And that is it. Be happy. Happy holidays. We're officially getting into the holiday season with Christmas coming up, and I'm really, really excited about that. Okay, so we are now going to go into my calendar view, which I already have everything ready to go and set up to, again, save time, because I'm about, getting it done. And this stuff really does take a lot of time, so sometimes it's like, oh, I don't even want to do it, but I gotta do it. So my little legend is here, so everything in green is any income I'll be getting in. So I get paid bi-weekly, so I'll get 2 paychecks. I got my rental income from my property back in California, and I now get paid by Etsy once per month instead of every week. So I'll be excited to see, this will be covering November, so I'll be excited to see what my paycheck is going to be for the previous month. Got all my bills out, I got all my debt out, appointments, I totally messed up on, when I was doing this, I messed up on both of these. For some reason, this is supposed to be the dark blue for appointments. I'm so silly. So I'm just gonna put a little dot there. And then maybe, that's not gonna change anything. That yellow is there. And then these are supposed to be holidays, which is gonna be in the light blue, but I put it in yellow for some reason, thinking, oh, it's an event. Well, I guess it could be if I'm going somewhere, but I'm not, so at least not that I'm aware of. And I didn't highlight Merry Christmas because it looks too pretty like that. And I think that's about it for this one. Anything else that comes up, I will add in. So now we can go into my actual budget for the month, which is always exciting. Starting with income, I already have everything written out. What my budgeted income is for my paychecks, my rental income. Etsy shop I don't budget for because you just never know. My daughter, I forgot to mention this in November, but she actually started paying me again. $100. She doesn't have a car anymore, so we're not doing any car insurance for her. So she's just paying $100 goes towards her phone. And then the other $100 goes towards paying me back. Now, she's not paying me back for me helping her with her rent or anything like that. I just said, I'm just covering you for that. Don't worry about that. What I am making her pay me back for, though, is tickets. Those, I told her, that's the only thing you have to pay me back for because those are avoidable. So she's got to learn about that. So she's just paying me $200 a month, and she did pay me in November, so I was really excited about that. And so yeah, so there's that. Miscellaneous is for any side hustle income I get other than Etsy, because I do have other little things that I do, but I don't budget for them because it's not always a guarantee. And then I'm just budgeting $500. It's just a random number I threw out there. So my total budget for the month is $6,250 of income I'm expecting to get in. And then I already wrote out everything here. These are just all my regular bills. Nothing different here. Groceries, I budget $250 for the month. Gas, I budget $85. And miscellaneous is any other spending that was not part of that I shouldn't have been doing, basically, because I should have taken it out of my envelopes, comes from here, $150. So that total came out to $3,814. And now, let me subtract that. 6250 minus 3814 leaves me with 2,436. And this Sharpie sucks. I can't find my other one. That's the good one. It was supposed to be in my little pen jar here. I can't find it. Oh, wait. Look at that. I found it. Let's just throw this one out. All right. And then coming over here, these are all my debt payments. Chevron is no longer listed here, so I'm really stoked about that. So my next one that I'm going to be working on is Capital One, so that's why I put 300 here. I have 200 in my debt envelope right now. I'm hoping to build up more by the time I make this payment. So we'll see how that goes. And everything else is the same. So that came out to 1,511. So 2,436 minus 1,511 leaves me with 925. And for savings, I am budgeting $200 per month to go into my emergency fund. $100 starting in December is going to be coming out per paycheck each month and automatically go into my emergency fund. So that's what that's for. For my sinking funds, I'm budgeting $600. I always end up doing way more than this, but I kind of keep it lower just for my sanity. Savings challenges, I'm hoping to put in $150. The Christmas challenges I'm keeping separate because this is going to be a daily challenge. So I'm hoping I can save around $300 between the two of them. So as you can see, that's $1,250, which is less. Every month I always budget in the negative, and I am totally fine with that because I am confident that I can make that up in my side hustle income. And as it is December, I know that I will be getting some kind of a bonus as well, but I'm not budgeting for that either. So that is going to be a negative of 325, which is actually better than what I did last month as for being in the negative. So we will see how that goes. And that is going to be it. This is really short and sweet. I just wanted to, you know, go over it, make sure I had everything down and out and ready to go. And yeah, so here we go. I'm really excited. I love doing mini goals for each month, and whew, I'm probably more nervous about Vlogmas than anything else just because I have no idea what I'm going to be doing. So we will see what happens there. Let's bring little tree back so you can at least see some of the lights. All right, guys, that'll be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you all being here. You guys mean the world to me, seriously. You guys are all so nice and always leaving such positive comments. I greatly appreciate it. And so please do continue leaving those lovely comments because, you know, I love talking back to you. Talking back to you. It sounds horrible. I'm going to talk back to you. I like responding back to you. How about that? Please do give a big thumbs up if you like this video. And please do subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you a part of this wonderful community because, as I always say, this budgeting community is amazing. So yeah, so let's leave it at that. You guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, all that good stuff. Stay happy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.